Alrighty, Ned, here's your 482 FE Ford. Got it on the dyno here. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the Shelby aluminum block, Shelby heads. It has got a Edelbrock EFI manifold on it, custom grind cam. Also got the March Onyx on the front, blacked out, beautiful. Make sure the alternator functions for you. Got the Cobra Le Mans valve covers. Really nice motor. Obviously EFI, Holley Terminator X. All right, we'll go make a run on her and see how she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Ned, here it is, 3400, it's 572 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque looks like 586, pretty good. Peaks horsepower 532. So we kind of rate this at 500, did some changes for it. So with the front end on it, that's about 15, so it runs really good. We're gonna get it off there, get a crate, come your way. Have a great day. Alrighty, what we just did there is pull the pipes back, make sure that the motor is good and clean, and that's it.